Hello, today I will fix a system that says your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. This problem is mostly caused by RAM, especially in PCs where you have more than one RAM in the RAM slot. So one of the RAM is actually the culprit. So to fix this problem, I'll have to shut the PC down and then access the RAMs one by one, because I know one of the RAM is actually the culprit. Remember to clean out the RAM slot as you try out each of the RAMs one by one, because sometimes the data RAM slot too can cause this particular issue. So come along with me as we fix this problem together.